My name is Tokunbo Olasheinde, also known as Obeibi, as you can see, Obeibi. I'm actually an actress, and I'm actually on set right now. And the title of the movie is Osha Wahala, and I actually played the Olosho kind of role, the Aristo, the big babe, not just any Aristo, big babe, as in if you don't get dollar or more, just stay far, 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 far away from me. I don't deal in naira, I deal in dollars. Don't mind me, I'm just telling you stuff. I'm just kidding, And the part I like most that I played was the part when I was coming to see this client, and then the security of the hotel was like, stop there. Babe, I like you. Since the guy is not available and the room is available, me and him, we can just run things together. Can you imagine? A whole me, a whole obeibe. Like say that guy, that guy they price me. He was like, we should go and use the room, and he too, like he's a man, and he can like pay my bills. And I was like, guy, with all this talk, how much do you have gone? Guys, can you imagine what this security said? Don't let me tell you. Okay, let me bust your bubbles. The guy was actually telling me he has 50,000, and that 50,000, it's not that he's giving it to me or the whole 50,000. He's going to pay for expenses. As for him and his family, he's going to do one or two things. So eventually, he's going to be left with 10,000, and then that 10,000 we can probably split it into two. So you can imagine 5,000 goes to me, a whole sexy me. I told him, I said, guy, come, are you joking? As in, you they price me? See me from head to toe now. How much do you think I'm worth? And I was like, okay, you know what? If I even want consider, say I just want consider you 500K. And he was like, he won't buy land. Like say I don't pass land. Imagine. So that's the whole scenario. And I actually told him in conclusion that all these two Indomie, two egg babes, and all this paraga, whatever, you should go for that one. Those ones can still take 5,000 at least, So